Here you go.
Did you see what beautiful Tinkerbell outfit this baby has on? What kind of juice is that? Hmm?
Juice. Make a butterfly.
Okay, we're gonna make a butterfly. Okay. Show how you make a butterfly. Push hard. Oh, you didn't push hard enough. Try again. Ah.
Butterfly.
There it is.
Like a butterfly. Okay.
Another butterfly.
Like a
Okay,
butterfly.
gonna smush it up again. Can you say hi?
Hi, Mama.
Hi,
Hi, Mama.
Ellie. Can you say hi, Bee?
Happy
Say love you, Bee.
baby.
Can you say excuse me?
Give me. Now give me.
Can you do little piggies?
Piggy jam. Piggy wee.
Push hard. Urgh. Okay, now how many butterflies do you have?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13.
You have 13 butterflies? Okay. Here, make another one.
Take an
Push hard. Ugh. Now how many do you have? Can you blow a kiss to the baby in the camera? Blow a kiss. No.
Color, 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 color.
Can you sing? That's beautiful, Allie. Can you dance to the music?
Yes.
What about this? Dance to the music.
Yes.
Dance to the music.
Teddy bear, teddy bear.
Oh, you okay, Mama? Get your teddy bear.
Okay. I get.
Here you go.
There you go.
There's your teddy bear.
There's moonlight. There's moonlight. There's moonlight. There's moonlight. There's moonlight. There's moonlight. There's
Are you sorry?
Say teddy bear.
You sorry for yelling at the teddy bear?
Say teddy bear. Okay, okay, okay. Ah! Say teddy bear. Kiss teddy.
Can you say kiss for Aunt B?
Kiss EB. Kiss EB. Kiss EB. Water. Kiss our water.
Can you say mwah?
Mwah. Mwah. Kiss.
Kiss for B. Ooh, that was a close one.
That's close, Mom.
That was a close one.
Kiss Mama. Kiss Mama. Kiss Mama.
Kiss B.
Kiss B. Kiss B. Kiss Mama. Kiss
Okay.
Mama.
Can you say bye B?
Baby. Hello, B.
Say bye B.
Baby.
Love you B.
Hello, baby.